Welcome to this video on the various file transfer security mechanisms supporting the AAI and IWSz integration. We have three options which are handled directly in the software: FTP, SFTP with public-private keys, and SFTP with a publicly signed certificate. One option is SSL-based, FTPS or FTPR. This should be handled by the organization's security team, and the software requires no configuration. The first option is the regular FTP. It uses the basic 21 port and is secured with an ID and password set directly in the software. The password may be optional, depending on FTP configuration. The AAI host was configured so that the FTP process can authenticate the ID and validate the connection. The second option is the SFTP protocol, which is essentially a regular FTP connection running over SSH. This is the simpler version, which uses a public-private key pair. We generate the pair on ZOS using the AAI-zj gkey JCL, which can be found in the custlib library. The JCL runs the SSH key gen command through bpx batch. It generates a key pair file called id_rsa.pub in the user's directory under the .ssh directory, based on the user that initiated bpx batch. Then we send the public key as a flat text file to the AAI host using either system authorization facility or the SSH key gen command with options -e or -i. The public key is imported in the authorized_key file found in the target user's directory under .ssh. This user was created during the prep phase. Remember that the directory dedicated to IWSz file storage must be added to the instance configuration settings if using SFTP. The third option is similar, but uses a certificate signed by a commercial signing authority for the user that starts the server STC and the specific LPAR. The certificate is generated in the .ssh directory of the IWSz user, added to an X509 certificate keyring, which serves as the certificate container. For this, a file is needed in IWSz, specifically in the .ssh directory in the home directory of the user on the mainframe that is running the server STC. It's called ZOS_user_ssh_config, and it has the statement identity keyring label equal and the IWSz directory of the certificate on the mainframe LPAR. This enables server for AAI on the mainframe to know where the certificate is stored via the identity keyring label equal statement in that file, so it can obtain the certificate from the keyring to validate the public key with the AAI host when it tries to make the SFTP SSH connection. Here, again, a dedicated SFTP directory is needed. The final option involves maintaining file transfers that are secured with TLS. Broadcom does not provide specific tech for this. Your security teams will be the ones deploying this as they see fit. Thank you. This concludes the video.